Clearing your search history on Amazon Prime Video can help maintain your privacy and improve your viewing experience. Follow these steps to remove your search history. Step 1. Open Amazon Prime Video. Launch the Amazon Prime Video app on your device or visit the Amazon Prime Video website on your browser. Step 2. Sign in. If you are not already signed in, enter your Amazon account credentials to access your Prime Video account. Step 3. Navigate to your account. Look for the account icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 4. Go to your profile. In the account settings menu, find and select the Your Profile option. This will take you to your viewing history and preferences. Step 5. Clear search history. Locate the search history section within your profile settings. Click on the option to clear or delete your search history. Confirm your choice if prompted. By following these steps, you can successfully clear your search history on Amazon Prime Video, ensuring a more personalized and private viewing experience.